All right, we're taking a look at the gold trade closing out on the day. We are short gold. See this in TradeStation. It's about to close the trade in about 35 seconds, and we're also close to the profit target. We're also short silver, and we just had a coffee short close as well. And so let's see how this trade plays out here. Since it's about to close this trade, it's going to, looks like it almost hit its profit target in about 17 seconds before it closes, and so we'll be right fairly close to what's going on. So let's take a look at this.
Order fill.
And so you see the trade. It exited here. Let's take a look at the slippage and commission. So the slippage was $30 on the entry, and it was $10 on the exit. So the strategy covered at 46.80. The trade was at 46.90, and over here the strategy was at short at 12.52.40. The trade was at 12.52.10. So $40 on that, and so we got a little bit more slippage than the last trade, or the previous trade before that. And we also have silver as well. So we're gonna take a look at the silver trade. So silver was up 525 hypothetically, and our trade was 15.875 was the strategy. The trade was 15.870. One tick of slippage on the entry, and covered at 15.765 on the strategy and 15.770 on the trade. And so we got one tick of slippage on the exit. And now we're going to take a look at coffee. And here's the coffee trade. We had no slippage on the entry. The strategy and the trade price were the same, and on the exit there was one tick of slippage. So we typically call $75 round turn slippage and commission on coffee, and we got much less. We only got 1875 slippage. And so overall, some nice short trades. Coffee didn't really make too much. It was up about $300 a contract, and then gave some back. It's been a nice downtrend in coffee, and so swing trading this would have been a better option, because this is our third short trade in a row, and the first one was back here at 129 levels. If we could have carried that into a short, we would have had to hold this position longer and endure, giving back most of this gain right here in order to hold this as a swing trade. But if you like to trade long term, one consideration is to look for ways to turn your day trade strategies into swing trade strategies in low volatility, slow moving markets, to give you more time to hit that larger profit level. And so that's something that we're currently researching. That's why I bring it up. So those are some of the three of the short trades we have today. The other trade is the E-mini S&P. I'll show you that. So here's the E-mini S&P trade. The indicator at the bottom is incorrect. The way it's plotting is because of the end of day entry here. It's not down $412. We got short at 26.57.75, and the strategy was at 26.58. So one tick of slippage on the entry, and so we're down, about 2.5 points on this trade, and not down $425 like it shows below. The indicator on this is a little off. So those are the trades today. We're down on the E-mini S&P, up on coffee, silver, and gold. It's about midday, and so those are some of the updated trades. It's kind of a slow day in the stock indexes. Bitcoin started trading today. We're going to go over Bitcoin in another video as well.